But it's too late now. I remember you and me.
Hello guys, so today I want to show you how to make arithmetic Java code using a function. To code a Java, you can use whatever application you want to use, for example Notepad, Notepad+, Visual Studio Code, NetBeans, etc. First of all, we have to make a new file for our code. For example, I will make the title with the name calculating. But remember to always write a .java at the end of the sentence so it can run properly. Functions have two types of coding, namely regular functions and return functions. For this code, we're going to use a return function by using integer data type. For the first calculation, we make the variable name plus. After that, we will create a new integer data type and a new variable in its parameters. For example, I will make the variable name num1 and num2. Both will be using an integer data type. Now, we will make a new variable for the calculation named equals. For the equals variable, we will type the first parameter first, namely num1. After that, we will add the plus symbol because this first function is addition. Next, we will type return equals so it will calculate itself automatically. For the next function and so on, all we have to do is copy and paste the first function and change the name of the variable and also the symbol. When the function is ready, we will make the method public static void main. Public static void main is a method to run the program. Then, we will type system.out.println so we will see the output of each arithmetic. Do the same for the others by copy-paste it and change the function name. And now we will run it. And there's the output for our code. I hope you guys understand and thank you for watching this video. See you soon and goodbye.